y'all, welcome back to another video. Y'all already know how this thing finna go. We got the SDR over here in the cut. I'm just always ready to go. But yeah, we ain't really got nothing planned special for today. Just wanna make a video, so we wash the car up real quick. Get them nice and clean. It's pretty dirty, I ain't washed them in about 2 weeks. We can wash them up real quick. Nothing too fancy. I literally just want to get the dirt off. I ain't even gonna dry them. I'm gonna wash them and hop on the road and slide. Got a couple things to do today, and we're gonna take this guy to do our errands. So yeah, I ain't got no time to spare, so I'm gonna put y'all up, let y'all see me wash them down real quick, and we're gonna hit the road. I gotta put on my boots too. I can get my socks all wet. Alright, let me get y'all a cold start. Got y'all on my GoPro, on my head strap. Let's get to going. Drunk my juice already. I feel good now. Ooh, that hurt my head. Yeah, right. You ain't even want that smoking. I was back there with you. Let y'all hear some of this blow valve in here now with the windows up. right over here. Oh, as I'm about to freaking say it, one sitting right there. I was just saying how I gotta chill out because police be over here. And look at one right there. I gotta take this car home now and pour my wastegate off to see if I got a leak on my wastegate. For some reason, we're not hitting full boost. Third and fourth gear. Third and fourth gear is just plateauing. It's like flat. All right, so now what we're gonna do is we're gonna try pulling this wastegate off and seeing if there's any leak around the wastegate, because the car is not wanting to hit boost target for some reason now. We don't know what the hell the problem is, but it's got to have a leak or something somewhere, or something electronic is not wanting to act right, because it'll come on, hit hard for a second, then fall off, and then come back on again. So first things first, we're gonna check for the leaks. This finna be hot. Or not. Looks like our leak is right here. That was pretty quick. All right, so I just did the oil change. I went and checked my camera and the camera wasn't even on. Don't know what that was about, but yep. Back to the basics. I was gonna blame it on them. I had a SCR cap. My SCR cap flew off the other day. Don't know where he went. All right. Got started up, check the oil again. I think I'm gonna put this back on. And then I'm gonna put the wastegate back on and see if I can just tighten it down harder or something, or I don't know. Alright, I think my oil change is done. I'll wait for another 5 minutes, check my oil again, and then we're gonna go for a test drive to see if we still getting slow car. It feels very slow to me right now. All right, guys, let's go drive this thing. next lane half throttle. Not even half. I think we might be on to something. We're gonna put some fuel in again. Alright, we just filled up. Let's go take this thing out and see what he wants to do. Nope, something's still off. Third and fourth is lazy as fuck. I can't fit. I'm not gonna be able to fit on there.
Go to the back end.
That's what I want. Appreciate it.
No problem.
Alright guys, so we just made it back to the house. We just made it back to the house, and I guess I'm gonna pull the wastegate off again and see if I see soot there again. If I see some more soot between the wastegate again, then maybe we'll just have to buy a new clamp and change the clamp. If I don't see any soot in there, then we gotta look for another problem. Don't know what it could be, but it's gotta be something, because as you guys seen, third and fourth is just flat. It's no aggression at all in third and fourth. And third and fourth is where the party you used to be at. So I'm probably gonna end the video here though. So appreciate y'all for watching, and I'll see y'all in the next one.